Have you ever seen a pool like this? I guess, yes. You think that it is like an ordinary pool, right? Think again. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something super cool. Swimming pools that use real ocean water. Yep, you heard that right. These are not your typical freshwater or chlorine pools. These 5 amazing spots let you enjoy the saltwater experience without the rough waves or sea creatures. Let's get into it. First on the list is the Bondi Icebergs Pool in Australia. It's probably the most famous saltwater pool in the world. Built right next to the ocean, it actually gets splashed by real waves from the Pacific. The pool fills with ocean water naturally, giving you the raw sea experience in a much more relaxed setting. You're technically in the ocean, just safer and with way better views. Next is the Camps Bay Tidal Pool in South Africa. This one is carved into the coastline and is fed by the Atlantic Ocean. It's a favorite spot for both locals and tourists because you get the cool salt water and beautiful scenery without worrying about strong currents or deep open waters. At number 3, we have the King's Pool in Bermuda. This natural saltwater pool is formed in limestone and fills through underground tunnels that connect to the ocean. It's like a hidden tropical bath. Calm, crystal clear, and super refreshing. If you're looking for a peaceful swim with that ocean vibe, this is it. Number 4 is the Waikiki Natatorium in Hawaii. This historic ocean pool was built right on the edge of the beach, and it's designed to let ocean water flow in and out naturally. It was once a memorial to World War I soldiers and remains a symbol of blending history with Hawaii's love for the sea. Last but not least, the Coogee Women's Baths in Australia. It's a tidal ocean pool specifically for women and children, filled naturally by the sea. It offers privacy, peace, and clean salt water without the chaos of the open ocean. Perfect for a calm and quiet swim. So, there you have it. 5 of the most unique and beautiful swimming pools in the world that use real ocean water. You get the saltwater benefits, like smoother skin and that refreshing ocean feel, without leaving the edge of land. Which one would you love to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more water-inspired content. See you in the next video.